Why do you buy subscription services like Netflix and Hulu? Because you want the best movies and TV shows without having to sort through those crazy cat videos. In the same way, the library buys databases so that students and staff can have the best information without wading through problematic sources. Databases offer credible, reliable information from reputable sources who are not trying to sway your opinion or sell you something. To access databases, either go to your teacher's Canvas class and find the page titled Library Databases Make Research Easy, or go to the Delaware City Schools website, click on Schools, select Hayes, and select the Library Research Center from the top. You always want to begin by opening Noodletools, the website that will save your sources and create your works cited pages. To log in, select the rainbow Google G at the bottom of Noodletools and select your school email account. Click the green New Project button at the top right, create your own helpful title, and keep MLA Advanced selected unless you are in a science or other class that requires APA formatting. Once created, you can share your project with partners by clicking on the plus button to the right and entering their school email address. Yes, using Noodletools makes you a cool cat. Now that you're ready to research, start with Gale High School. If you need help coming up with a topic, they even provide a list. You can also use the science database if you are looking for information on science topics. Remember, when researching at home, use Pacers as the password if prompted. To search, remember to use just a few keywords related to your topic, but not full questions. Once you get your results, click the blue button entitled Topic Finder on the right. This will generate a beautiful grid of subtopics that you can click on to access individual articles. You can also search results by clicking on any of the information categories at the top. Reference articles will give you background information. News articles will be the most current. You can also select newest rather than relevance to get the latest information. If you need a specific time frame, you can use the filter for publication date and even use the presets for past week, past month, and past year to narrow your search. Once you select an article, skim the information to make sure it provides the details you want. Then you will want to save the article to Noodletools for later reference, so either select the Cite button at the top or scroll down to the bottom of the page. The citation is automatically generated in MLA format, but if you need APA format, click on the APA 7th edition button and you'll see the correct citation. Click the Noodletools button at the bottom to send your proper citation to Noodletools. In the preview screen, make sure that you are sending it to the right Noodletools project. Then click the Import Reference button. When you check for your citation in Noodletools, remember to refresh your screen so the citation appears. Gale databases are the cat's meow. To easily find your next article, look to the right to find related texts and search terms. If you are having trouble reading, you can change the font, text size, background color, spacing, and more by selecting the capital and lowercase a button. To translate the article into different languages, click the button on the far left. You can also have the article read aloud by selecting Listen. Finally, drag your cursor over text you want to highlight, and then just select your favorite color. 3 more helpful aspects of Noodletools. You can jump back to all of your articles online by selecting the square with the arrow underneath each citation. Noodletools will tell you how to internally cite your source in your paper if you click the 3 dots on the right, then select In-Text Citation. Remember, the databases do not use page numbers, so to get rid of this, hit the spacebar in the page number line, then notice your citation is ready to copy and paste into your paper. Finally, if you need to cite a web page not already in a database, select New Source, then Website, then Web Page. Fill out the information carefully using Noodletools hints along the way. If the website or outside database already provided a completed citation for you, you can click on the Copy and Paste Citation button, then paste that copied citation into the blank box provided, and you are all set. After using databases to make researching and citing your sources easy, kick back with a little cat nap.